Hello, good morning students. Yesterday we studied about lesson computers, correct? And I told you there are so many things which we get, or there is so much of information which we get from computers, and then computers help us in many ways. It helps us to know meanings of the words. It helps us to know information of anything around the world, correct? And I told you that tomorrow we will complete question answers of the lesson computers. The first question which is given here is to take the correct sentence. Read the sentence and choose the correct alternatives. What we have to do? We have to choose correct alternatives from this 3 answers. Mistakes are born to occur. Mistakes are born to occur means what? What is meaning of this sentence? Meaning of this sentence is there are some mistakes. So second answer is correct. There are some mistakes. Okay. The second sentence which is given in the book is there are few things that a modern computer is not able to do. There are some few things which modern computer is not able to do. What is meaning of this sentence? The meaning of the sentence is a modern computer can do almost everything. There are few things that a modern computer is not able to do. Here it is told that read the sentence and choose the correct alternatives. Choose the correct alternatives means what? A modern computer can do almost everything, but not all things, but almost everything. Next question is third one. Now here second question they have told that you have to write down 4 mathematical operations. After writing 4 mathematical operations, you have to write down one example of it. Now which are 4 mathematical operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, and you have to write down an example of each. Question number 2, answer addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are 4 operations. Then you have to write down one example of addition, one example of subtraction and one example of multiplication and the 4th example of division, that you can do it. Okay, you do it. Question number 3 is told here is, do you make mistakes in your calculations? What do you do to correct them? Question number 3. Your answer what will be what? Yes, I do make mistakes. I do make mistakes in my calculation. In my calculations, I always check them twice. I always check them twice. I always check them twice. Okay, that is our third answer. Fourth question which is asked in the book is, what do you do to remember the information you have gathered? Then what do we do to gather information? I read the information again and again till I remember it well. What do you do to remember information? कोणती इन्फॉर्मेशन लक्षात ठेवायची असते तर तुम्ही काय करतात? तुम्ही रिवाइज करतात, तुम्ही सारखे पाठांतर करतात. ओके, you read again and again, or you what we call you recite it, or you try to remember it, you do practice. So your answer is I read the information again and again till I remember it. till I remember it. Okay, that is our fourth answer, till I remember it well. Question number 5 is something assignment which you have to do at home. Okay. Sixth one, list all the words related to the computers that you find in the passage. Now in passage, the words which we have got are which one? Question number 6. The words related to computer in this passage are memory, data, code, program and process. And some other new words we have to add to them are keyboard, cursor, mouse, screen, laptop, menu. These are some other words which are related to the computer. Okay. In this way we have completed question answers of this lesson. Tomorrow we will study new lesson, that is which one? The Laughing King. Okay. Tomorrow we will study lesson number 24, the Laughing King. This much is enough for today. Please complete this question answers in your notebook and study hard, because we will have exam in April exam. Okay. In April month we will have exam. Okay. Thank you.